Welcome back, students. In previous video we learned about how to download free icons, where to get them. We also saw the difference between PNG and SVG. We also discovered a community, Figma community, and we also saw some the resources. So in this video we are gonna actually use icons in our wireframe. So we are diving into our Figma exercise file to bring in some icons and ensure they harmonize with our existing design. So let's make them look sleek and uniform all across our wireframe. So are you ready? So let's jump in. So let's go to our rectangle tool and place the image. So in this exercise file, there will be one folder, click card icons. So select them all, open, and place one by one over here. Okay, so these are 5 icons. Okay, so as you can see, we added some placeholder over here, and this is the frame. So let me delete this rectangle box. Okay, let me select this and delete. Okay, so now first one is gonna be our home. Okay, this is where I'm gonna place my home icon. After that, I'm going to place category. After that, my order, and this is for notification, and this one is for our profile. Okay, so currently the size of the icons, I will say 20, the width is 27.21, height is 29.17. If you want to increase or decrease that, you can change it over here. Okay, let's say I want to go up to like 30, so I can just go to 30 and it will increase the width as well as height. So it totally depends on your design, but for now I'm gonna keep as it is because it looks great. Okay, so let's arrange them first. Okay, so this is the align section where you can align anything in Figma. Like if you click on this 3 bar menu, like vertical bar menu, there is a more option like tied up. So it will tied up according to our design, and you can bring it into center like this, and you can see the bottom is not adjusted that well, so we are going to click on the bottom adjustment, and this is adjust now. We can also align this at the center as well like this. Our home icon is not that big, so let me make it a big because other icons are like about 35 and this one is about 27. So let me select this one. This is the constraint properties. If I click this and if I change the value of width, so it will automatically adjust the height. So as you can see over here, currently our all the icons are in same in size. Let's say this profile icon looks small. You can increase it over here as well. So for now I am going to keep as it is. So let me select this again and let me adjust the bottom. So if you are not able to understand this align section, don't worry, I'm going to make dedicated video on that. So currently just understand the align section is for align our icons. So in this video, we are just learning how to import icons and how to adjust them. Okay, so this is our section. So let's select all of them like this navigation bar as well as this icons as well. Hold shift and select all of them as well as this rectangle and right click and make them as a frame. Let me show you one magic over here. So let's say I want this same navigation bar over here as well on the burger menu. So in that case, what I can do is that there is a traditional step is like I'm gonna do all the things again, but you can do another thing like select this frame. So as you can see in left panel, it is selected. Now just Control C, select the burger menu. You have to select burger menu and just paste over here. So as you can see at same position, we pasted our this navigation button, as well as we can do it over here. But let me delete this one first in category and as well as on the my account. Delete. Okay, I deleted the rectangle. So let me delete all of them. I think this is not frame. Okay, so let me delete this one as well and paste it, Control V, and as well as my orders. Okay, so this is how we can add our icons in our wireframe. But let me change the color of it. Okay, I went to object editing mode. Okay, so the color is going to be this one because red does not look that aesthetic. As well as this should be a white, and because we are in the burger menu section, so I think in burger menu section we don't need this navigation bar, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, frame 4 is empty, and okay, so currently we in category, so category should be yellow, and this one is the yellow. Let me make this white, and this is the my account. So this profile icon should be yellow, and this should be a white. Same with this one. Okay, so this is our navigation bar. So user will know in which section he is. Like let's say if in home page, so this will indicate we are in the home page. If we in the category, so this icon will indicate we are in category section. After that, in my profile as well as in the my orders. So students, that's how you can add icons to your wireframe or in your UI designs. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.